Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and set up ESLint in VS Code, complete guide step by step clearly. Open Visual Studio Code. Navigate to the extensions view by clicking on the extensions icon in the activity bar on the side. In the search bar, type ESLint. Locate the ESLint extension in the search results. Click the install button to add ESLint to your VS Code. Once the installation is complete, open your project folder in VS Code. Open the terminal within Visual Studio Code by selecting Terminal from the top menu and then New Terminal. Make sure you have Node.js installed on your system. In the terminal, type the command npm init to create a package.json file. Next, install ESLint by running the command npm install ESLint savedev. After the installation finishes, initialize ESLint by typing npx ESLint init in the terminal. You will be prompted to answer a series of questions to set up your ESLint configuration. Select the JavaScript framework you are using. Choose a coding style that best fits your team's preferences. If asked, select the format for your configuration file. After answering all questions, ESLint will create a configuration file for you. You can find the new configuration file, usually named .eslintrc.js, in your project directory. To ensure ESLint works in your project, create a JavaScript file to test it. Add some code in this file that does not conform to your chosen linting rules. Save the file and notice any warnings or errors indicated by ESLint in the Problems panel. For a smoother experience, configure VS Code settings to automatically fix linting issues. Go to File and then Preferences, followed by Settings in the top menu. Search for Format on Save and check the box to enable this feature. Now, whenever you save your files, ESLint will automatically fix any linting errors that can be corrected. You have successfully downloaded and set up ESLint in Visual Studio Code. Your development environment is now enhanced with better code quality and consistency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.